Hello there. Let me see the question we're treating today, right? It's pretty complex. Anyway, that's good. So, welcome. If you're just seeing me for the first time, once again, my name is IK, and today I'm actually very happy because we are growing on Instagram and on Facebook. Remember that there was a time when we used to be like 700 followers on Facebook and about 800 on Instagram, something like that. But today, as at 2026, February 3rd, we are about 5k plus 5,000 people on Facebook and about 10,000 people on Instagram. So I see how you guys really like chemistry and I like it too. So that's good. That's good. Tell me where you're watching from. I want to know where some of you are from. What country are you watching from? And then let's solve this question. So this one is looking complex. I'm really praying that we don't touch this KL, this alum stuff over here. I'm praying we don't touch that part. But from what I can see NH4, two of it here, and only one of it here. So maybe I want to put a 2 here. But let me just keep looking. Okay, the sulfate part, which is this SO4, I have 2 of it here. And here I have only 1 of it. I don't have any other sulfate around, right? So I can put 2 here because of the sulfate, and that should make my ammonium side, that's the NH4 area, it should make that side 4. So maybe I can then place a 4 here to satisfy that NH4 area, and then I'll see what the rest would be. So there's 12 H2O that we have here. I could also just put 12 here, but let me be patient first and ensure that all other things are looking good before I do that. All right, so the ammonia part, that's the ammonium area, that's the NH4 area. Let's check. Well, let's just check them individually, shall we? Nitrogen is 4 here. Nitrogen is 2 times 2, 4. I know some of you like it this way when you check it individually. Our hydrogen is 4 times 4, that's already 16. Then this is 1 here, so that's like 4 times 5. So 20. We have 20 for hydrogen there. There is 12 times 2, which is 24 for the same hydrogen. Whereas here you have 2 times 2, that is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And then there's 1 here again, right? That's 17. This one here is 19. This one here is 3. Okay, so 20, 21, 22 is like 22. I hope I'm even calculating this thing well. Alright, so okay, let me drop a 12 here. Let me take back some of these things and drop a 12 in front of that H2O, at least for the sake of handling that area. I feel that the Al is fine, right? The K is also fine because I've not really altered them. So now let's check again. Once again, my hydrogen will be 12 times 2, that's 24 over here. 12 times 2 is already 24 for that. Then the other hydrogens I have would be 4 plus 1, 5 times 4, 20. So that's 20. That's the other hydrogens I have. And on this side, I have 3 here. This is 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 4, 16. 16 plus 3 plus 1 is 20 as well. So that's fine. So hydrogen is good. Nitrogen is already good. Oxygen should be the next thing, because already my K and the Al should be fine. K and Al, they're both 1. So oxygen is the only problem left. This 12 H2O part means that 12 oxygen is what we have, 12 amounts or atoms of oxygen. So that can be satisfied by this part. Now the rest of the oxygen would be starting here, 4 times 1, 4. And then here is 4 times 2, 8. So it means I have 12, right? 12 oxygen atoms in total. That's apart from this one here. So let's check the other side. 3, 4, and 1. I'm looking for 12. Oh, sorry, this is 2 times 4, so that's 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1, that's 9. And then plus this 3 here makes 12. Okay, so oxygen is also balanced. With this few points of mine, you check very well when you're trying to balance equations like this. You make sure you check very well to ensure that everything is balanced. And I actually think everything is looking good here. So this means that this is our answer. Remember, you can also do this with the algebraic method by calling here A, B, C, D, E, F, and then solving for A, B, C, D, E, and F. Maybe we'll try this one another day. Who knows? Yeah, but then this is the answer to this question. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe, right? And remember to tell me where you're from, irrespective of where you're watching this from. Let me know where you're from. I would really like to say hi to you guys one after the other. So I'll see you on question 46. Bye bye.